Hello, sir. I'm Sumit Narayan and I'll be demonstrating the procure to stock cycle in SAP. It is part of the procure to pay cycle. For this, we'll be doing these three steps. First one, we'll create a purchase requisition, then we'll create a purchase order, and finally, we will create good receipt. Let's go to the demo. In this scenario, we are procuring a brake kit for a bike, where the brake kit is a raw material. Before we proceed, let's first check the current stock availability for this material. So to open the stock overview, we will first go to logistics, material management, inventory management, environment, stock, stock overview. We want to see the stock overview of BRKT 1038 and the plant is DL00. So we'll just enter DL00 and we'll execute. So here we can see we have a BRKT stock of 475. Now, before we start the process, we also need to ensure that certain master data are in place. The first master data that we'll check is the material master for BrickKit. So in a new window, let's open material master to verify its details. So for material master, we'll go to logistics, material management, material master, material, display, display current. So our material is BRKT 1038. Continue. We'll choose all these data. Or you can just click on select all and view. So our plant is DL00. Okay. So this is our material master data. So here we can see some basic details of our material, brake kit, gross weight 900 gram. Then under MRP 1, we can find the MRP type. So our MRP type is PD. Then under MRP 2, we can find the procurement type. So our procurement type is F. Under MRP 3, we can see a strategy group. Then for valuation class, we can go to accounting 1. So here we can find valuation class as 3000. Then also we can see price control as V. So this indicates V for raw material. Then for safety stock, we can go to MRP2. And here we can see that we have safety stock 0. Now that we have gone through the material master data, uh, let's move to the first step. That is creating a purchase requisition. So we'll go back. Okay. Now to start with creating a purchase requisition, we'll go to logistics, material management, then purchasing. So it is under purchasing, then purchase requisition and create. Okay. So we want to create a purchase requisition of BRKT 1038 of 100 quantity. So we'll just enter BRKT 1038 here. Then our quantity would be 100. Delivery date, let's say we can select today's date. Then plant would be DL00. So we can see all the information has been entered. Now we can save this to create a purchase requisition. So save purchase requisition now has been created. So we can just copy this number for further use. Now our purchase requisition has been created. Now after purchase requisition, we move to creating a purchase order. So we'll go back. Now before creating a purchase order, we'll first find the vendor to see if our vendor exists. So to find the vendor, we will again go to logistics, material management, then we'll go to purchasing, master data, vendor, purchasing, and display current. So our vendor is 101038 and purchasing organization is US00. We'll just display this vendor. So we can see that this vendor is Olympic Protective Gear and we can find all its information here under address overview, identification, payment transactions, their status, all the data is available here. Now we will find the info record and to see if info record is available or not, and if it's not available for this, we'll create one. So for this, let's again go to logistics, material management, then we'll go to purchasing, master data, info record, and display. So we see that this info record already exists, so no need to create one. Now we will proceed with creation of purchase order. So before creating purchase order from PR, we need to assign vendor to our purchase requisition. So let's first assign vendor to purchase requisition. So for that, we'll go to logistics, material management, purchasing, master data, master data, info record, so purchasing, then purchase requisition, and we'll go to follow on functions and assign and process. Okay. Our material is beer K31038. Then we'll check all these options and execute. So here we can see there are lots of purchase requisition available. So the one that we created was 23907, this one. So this was our purchase requisition that we just created. So it's dated 26th February 2025. Now we'll select it and we want to edit this. We'll just click on edit item. Now this is editable. Now we want to edit vendor and purchasing organization. So we'll just go to our fixed supplier. and we'll enter our fixed supplier was 101038. And another thing that we want to add here is purchasing organization. So our purchasing organization is US00. Okay. Now we'll save this. So it says purchase requisition changed. Now we have assigned our vendor to purchase requisition. Now we will create a PO from PR. So here, the assignments. So this is our PR that is pending. So we can create purchase order for this. So again, our these are some of the open requisition. Our purchase requisition was 23907. So this is our purchase requisition. So we want to create a PO for this PR. So we'll just drag this to here. Okay. So we got our purchase requisition. So under quantities, we have all the quantities, delivery schedule, all the information are available here. If you go to conditions tab now, and we can see the price. So price per unit of our raw material is 68 US dollar. So we'll just note down this price. That is 68 US dollar. Now we will save this. So it says a standard PO created under the number this. We'll just copy this number again. Now before saving, if you want to see what has changed in our stock overview. So as of now, we can see our on order stock is 475, reserved is 950, unrestricted is 271. So we are expecting that after after creating the PO, the on order stock should increase by 100 units. So this 475 should be increased to 575. So let's refresh this. Yeah. So this on order stock has become 575 now. So our PO has been created. Now we'll again go back and now we have created our purchase requisition, and for that purchase requisition we created a purchase order. Now we'll finally create goods receipt. So we'll go to home. Okay. Now to create good receipt, we'll go on again. We'll go first to material information. So we'll just use MM03 for BRKT. We just select all, continue. So in the last step, we noted the per unit price of 68. So we'll verify this by going to accounting. So we'll just go to accounting one. And yes, here also we can see that per unit price is 68 rupees. So this will be reflected in our accounting information. So before that, let's go ahead and create the goods receipt. So to create the good receipt, we'll go to logistics, material management, then inventory management. Then under inventory management, we have goods movement, then GR for purchase order. So we want to create good receipt for purchase order. We will paste our purchase order here and execute. So our purchase order has been opened. So under quantity, we will enter the exact quantity that has been received. So we'll assume that 100 unit has been received. And under where we will enter storage location. That is RM00. Then we'll uh, check item okay and check if everything is okay or not. It says document is okay. Then we can post this. So material document this has been posted and our good receipt has been created. Now again to see what has been affected in stock overview. So since we have created this good receipt, so we are expecting that the 100 that was increased in on order stock that will count move from on order to unrestricted. So this 575 will decrease to 475 and this 271 should increase to by 100 to become 371. Let's refresh. Okay, so this has become 371 and it has become 475. So this was our entire procure to stock cycle. Now we can also check the accounting changes that has been done. Okay. So to see the accounting, we'll go to logistics, material management, inventory management, material move. We have material document and display. So we will display display the material document and we this is our document. Just execute this. Okay, so under document info, we have FI documents. So here we can see accounting document. Okay. So here we can see the accounting change. So our price was 68 and unit was 100. So 6800 is the amount. So the accounting is debit raw material, stock 6800 and to credit account, GRIR account 6800. So this is our accounting change. So this is the entire procure to stock cycle. Thank you.